and his brother, Mr. Masengeli, is here, on the day when the court wants to exercise its prerogative power, the petitioners are usually found. It is a modus operandi. Every time when they are almost getting to the hall in court, the petitioners are found. Now, since the director is here, my lord, we intend.
I will give direction. Yes, you are making requests.
Yes,
I will give direction. But I want first to take into account the need for the family.
Yes.
It's paramount to me.
Absolutely.
We want for the second petition. We still can ask him to come. But if you want to ask him questions, I'm here, he's here.
And your directions, my lord, are very well noted.
No. If you want, he's here.
Yes, my lord, just if I may be able to start.
Let's have it in order that we have the DCI, we have the petition. Right? The person I wanted. You want to ask him questions? He's here. Let him know. I wanted to agree how we proceed. And the family have first opportunity to talk to him. There may be something.
I'm actually drawing from your wisdom, my lord, that in this particular instance, as we met last time, the primary concern was the life and liberty of the petitioner, second petition, and we are glad that he's here. He's alive, he's breathing. At this point also, Mr. Amin has acted complying with the orders, is here. And from the petitioner side, you are ready to cross-examine him. But the family has made a request, which is also reasonable. You have a traumatized citizen who, for all intents and purposes, may be in a daze not even fully understanding what we are saying or going through. The request to be brief, give him time to compose himself, to understand the circumstances under which he could be traced. Then we reconvene. Once the second petitioner has debriefed with counsel, probably gotten medical attention, and is ready now to participate in the petition, all parties come back here. And my lord, the only point you are stressing, which now I'm guided again by your counsel, is the presence of Mr. Amin. We may need him. My vice president, I as deputy designate, the vice, would have wished it happens today, but in the circumstances, it may not be possible.
Oh, he's here.
No, I'm talking about,
And we are here.
and I was going to say, my lord, I'm not coming to that. And also recognizing that he's in charge of criminal investigation in the entire country. And getting him is sometimes difficult. And now that he's here, at least to the extent of the first petition as cancelled, we can take our bite at the chain when it is still fresh and here. And we question him, we preserve that we don't fall of instances where when we seek him to come to court, he says he has gone for an operation in Baragoi. Which may be a genuine operation or not genuine, as sometimes happen. So having blocked his diary for today, no prejudice will be suffered if we proceed with it today. But if the court is minded to consider the family request, we will equally be guided. And also, my lord, of import in this particular instance that we don't lose focus on, in the replying affidavit signed by the respondents in paragraph 20, the which
I have
the affidavit sworn on 30th of June 2025 by Samuel Iteg. Paragraph 20. There's a live issue which I would not wish that we gloss over. if the second petitioner were to leave court today, there is a real danger that he may be arrested or detained by the rest of us. On this behalf and in the interest of justice, I pray that when the court is making elections, as regards to the second petitioner, the court consider issuing an order restraining his arrest. If any arrest ends up in court, and he can be bonded to attend to this court when required, so that the question that should be of our primary concern at this point is him getting medical attention and social support.
In fact, Malo will be happy if the director will just tell us that he will not arrest you. For free. That we go probably just also for the court to feel the presence of
I confirm the application for some protection of the second petitioner this time. There is also one you are going to make, so I had to take it in giving this direction.
Mr. Binta.
Yes, my lord, thank you. My lord, I have an application to make. The first application I wish to make, my lord, is the report of the immigration to summon the deponent who swore an affidavit in support of the petition, one Florence Muturi, to attend court during the next hearing for us to cross-examine. Because, my lord, there are certain facts that she point to that have led us to this. There are two affidavits. The first one was sworn on the first day of July 2025. 2025. 1st July 2025. And there is another one sworn on the 24th day of June this year.
So, Mr. we should begin the question. I have to complete this.
The first one is sworn on the 24th day of June 2025.
First.
Yes, that's the first affidavit. The second one, my lord, was performed on the first day of July 2025. Both in support of the petition and the motion. Secondly, my lord, in terms of the directions of the court, my lord, now that the DCI has come in answer to those summons, we pray that those directions will be discharged as regards the appearance of the DCI. And thirdly, my lord, the DCI, in light of what has been stated, we wish to be given an opportunity to speak on behalf of the directorate. Because
To have an opportunity?
to address my lord on behalf of the directorate. Because they feel that they have not been keeping as regards this case, and they need hard. My lord, fourthly,
So, I do get to.
today, my lord, now that you've summoned me, what's to be heard because they have not been put there in this matter.
They say so.
Yes, they need an opportunity. I am not free. The basis of our Wakabati. Yes, and Mr. Petition.
You are mixing up.
My lord, I've addressed you first.